Google has launched a data science agent in Colab, which I think is a game changer, in the sense that, the way data analysis is done is going to change. It's going to be much more simpler now. So, for those of you who are not familiar with Colab, let me give a quick overview. Now, Google Colab is a free tool provided by Google, of course, where you can write and run Python code directly in your web browser. You don't need to install anything on your computer. You just open Colab in the browser, write some code, and click run, which I'm going to show you shortly. And it's often used for learning Python, data science, machine learning, for building AI projects, for doing AI, for doing data analysis, because Google provides free access to powerful computers with GPUs and TPUs to run your code faster. Now, having said that, why is this a game changer? Because now it'll help you to save time on data processing and analysis by generating complete working Colab notebooks from simple natural language descriptions. So let me show you how this works. Okay. Um, I came to Kaggle and I just downloaded a data set, which is Indian Premier League, as I'm a fan of cricket. So I downloaded this data set, stored it on my local, and now I went to Colab. If you don't have an account, definitely create one because I think it'll help you to code and run AI ML projects faster. Now, once you create a new notebook, you'll see an option here, Analyze Files with Gemini. Click on that, right? And you should have the data set. I've just uploaded the data set. And now what I'll ask Gemini is, help me visualize trends. Of course, you can try different prompts based on what your requirement is, but here I'm writing plain English, you can see, and I just enter. Now, what Gemini will do is it'll present me with the plan. Let's see what the plan is. So, here is a set of tasks, and this is Gemini response. I can execute in your notebook to help answer your question. So, it will do data loading, data exploration, wrangling, analysis, visualization, pretty much everything. I'll tell it, okay, go ahead and execute the plan. Okay. And you can stop this anytime. So Gemini will start to write code in this notebook. You can see here starting to execute the plan. And obviously you can stop anytime. But let's see what it comes up with. So it will follow the same order which it has mentioned here, starting with data loading. So here you go. The first part is data loading. So you can see it has generated code for you, which loads the data that I uploaded. You can see the data here, it's printed, and then it will continue with the next steps, which is data exploration, wrangling, and analysis. Sorry. So here is some sample data it has presented. If you see that, if you see the good thing is it's automatically importing the libraries and stuff which you need. And then the code, obviously you can make changes, but at least you have a high level view of the data, right? And then it started data exploration. Um, it's going ahead with writing code and generating explorations of the data. But I think you are getting an idea of what I'm trying to say. Earlier, you would need to write all this data, all this code, sorry, and follow all these steps to finally arrive at some conclusion. Now, in a matter of minutes, Gemini will do that for you, which is awesome. So, I'll suggest if you are in this field, or even if you are not in this field and you want to analyze some data, um, which I think most of the folks in the software field will need, then I think you should give this a try, this feature a try, and also share what you learn. So I'm going to stop this because this is going to take a while. But this was a quick demo of what the future looks like, and this looks like an amazing feature. Go try it out. Thank you.